guys, welcome to Unison's weekly fundamental analysis. First of all, as usual, let's look at the dollar. The US dollar index fell by 0.89% on a weekly basis to 92.18, ending its three consecutive gains. In the context of the stock market's surge and economic expectations, market risk sentiment has generally rebounded. In addition, the Federal's argument to maintain loose monetary policy also dragged down the dollar's further decline. The minutes of the Federal's March meeting show that the Federal senior officials believe that it will probably take some time to reach the maximum employment and inflation targets. Prior to this, the Federal's asset purchase plan will at least maintain its current strength. At the interest rate meeting on March 16 to 17, the Federal Reserve maintained interest rates at a historical low close to zero and continued to maintain a monthly asset purchase scale of $120 billion to help economic activities recover from the epidemic and responding to the situation of mass and unemployment. The minutes of the March interest rate meeting released by the Federal on the 7th showed that all the 11 Fed voting members agreed to maintain the current scale of asset purchases and maintain interest rates at the low point close to zero. Despite being optimistic about the economic outlook, federal officials say that they have no plans to tighten monetary policy early. Next, let's look at the news regarding to the Eurozone. So, the British pound has recorded its biggest weekly decline against the euro this week since September 2020, as it suffered a profit after its strong performance in the first quarter. Analysts also attributed the strengthening of the pound to the euro due to the expectation that the pace of recovery of the British economy will exceed that of the eurozone. However, the trend reversed this week. The pound fell against the euro on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Market participants say this trend was amplified by the short squeeze of the euro against the pound. Not only is the epidemic in Europe a headache, but vaccination is also not worrying. According to EMA, there have been 4 cases of severe and rare thrombosis in the population vaccinated by Johnson & Johnson, accompanied by symptoms of thrombocytopenia, and one of the patients was life-threatening. Alright, coming on next, let's look at the gold. So as for the gold, the weakness of the US dollar gave gold a great opportunity. Gold rose more than 1% on Thursday, and largest increase so far by this month, with a weekly rise of 0.84%. The weekly line ended 2 consecutive declines. So Biden's large-scale stimulus plan will quickly increase the federal government's debt burden and affect the credit of the US dollar. On the other hand, it will push up the inflation expectations, which is great for gold. So coming up next is the forex calendar for next week. So as usual, for friends who are trading, whenever there's news, please set a stop loss as the fluctuation will be quite high. Alright, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.